Hello, this is Yuki at JapaneseKitchen.net. I haven't been updated YouTube video for a while because my main focus shifted from Japanese cooking to the other the cooking of all over the world and cultures, and because I was interested in home cooking of the world, actually what people are eating. But because of this corona thing, the situation have changed. I'm still interested in knowing what people are actually cooking and eating at home in many cultures. But now this time I decided to upload a little more Japanese home cooking, which can be done easily using something you have at the fridge or pantry. um, you know because of this thing, people started to cook at home more. And mm, probably some people can whip up many different kind of food, but if you are making your own food, you end up making the same flavors again and again and get bored of it. And so using somebody else's recipe is one way to change the flavor, because it's not your flavor, it's somebody else's flavor. That helps the kind of little bit of difference from the you know taste buds boredom. So I recommend to cook a little bit different food, but the important thing is, because you can't really go out and get whatever you need, you have to improvise. And Japanese cooking is actually pretty easy and quick, and you don't need many different ingredients. So I will recommend, and I'm going to actually cook and upload the video of how to cook easy Japanese home cooking. And at this time, I'm also going to ask you to send me videos, if you can, uh, what you can actually cooking at home at this time. Um, you know, Maybe you are from, um, like, from the South, like Kentucky or maybe South Carolina. Then maybe you have your own Southern cooking special recipe. And maybe you are from Ukraine, and you may be cooking like a Ukraine food at home. And you may be from Brazil, you may be cooking Brazilian food at home. And that's your usual like a comfort food. But you know other people may not be familiar with that. And I'd really want to know that what actually people are cooking. So if you can videotape, and if you can send it to me, I'm happy to upload it, so that we can share. At this time, we can share what's the way to cook your own cultural food. And we have kind of a little bit of fun in this kind of hard time. So I'm looking forward to see your video. Be safe. See you soon. Bye.